In this HyperFlex iSCSI video series, I'm going to show you how you can easily clone a LUN. So, as you already know, you have the initiator, the target, and then you have a LUN connected to the target. So the initiator basically gets some LUN or a disk. And it's easy to create a clone of that LUN. So why would you use that? For instance, you have a database and developers want to use that database, and it's easy to just clone the LUN, and then developers can use that cloned LUN. I'm connected to a Windows server, and on that server iSCSI is already configured, and as you can see it has a connection to the HyperFlex target and already got a block storage device. That device is online, it's formatted, and I even put some data on it. So over here you see the iSCSI drive E, and there's some data on it, and I'm gonna clone this LUN, this drive, and attach it to another server. So let's go to HyperFlex Connect. If you select the iSCSI targets, disk W1 in this case is the target with the LUN, and I'm gonna select the LUN, and now I'm just gonna clone LUN. If you have the HyperFlex Windows agent installed, you can do the application consistency. You have to fill in your username and password of the Windows machine, but I'll skip it for this demo. So the new destination target name, when I create the clone, it's going to attach to a new target. So in this case it's just demo. I'm not going to enable chat notification, but it's possible to do that. And you can give it a new destination LUN name. I just want to have the same name, but it can be a different one. So let's clone. And now the LUN is being cloned. Let's go over here. We do see a new target. It's called demo with the LUN, but this target is not linked to any initiator group. So right now I'm going to link it, and I'm going to link it to the other server. I can link it to the same server, but in this case I'm going to link it to another server. So now it's linked, and if I configure the other server, I should have the same data that I see over here as on the other server. So let's go to the other server. First I have to configure the iSCSI initiator properties. Already changed the IQN name because it's already configured in HyperFlex. So let's go to the discovery portal. Just plain, no authentication. If I go to the targets, I see the target. I'm gonna connect, okay, and now it's connected. So when you have raw block storage device, you first have to partition it and that kind of thing. So if I go to the disk management of Windows, over here you see, well, it's still offline. That's a default policy, so the only thing I have to do is bring it online, but I don't have to partition it, I don't have to format it, because it's basically a clone. So if I go to the Windows Explorer, go to this PC, and I see my clone drive E, and there are the same files of the clone, because it's a clone, of course. So this is the procedure to clone a LUN, and it's very easy, as you can see it.